Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pistachio gelato at home full guide. Start by toasting 2 cups of shelled pistachios lightly, then blend them with sugar and a splash of milk into a fine paste. Next, warm milk and cream, whisk in cornstarch dissolved in a little milk, then temper in the pistachio paste. Cook gently until slightly thickened, cool fully, and chill overnight before churning for the best texture. Make your pistachio paste with care because it defines the gelato's character. Toasted pistachios release essential oils that create aroma and depth. Pulse nuts in a food processor with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of neutral oil, scraping down sides until silky. Add sugar gradually and taste, balancing sweetness to let the nut flavor shine. Keep the paste chilled until you fold it into your custard base for even mixing. If you are finding the video helpful, subscribe and like so I can keep sharing kitchen tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great. It's a small pleasure that pairs well with dessert nights. I've added the link and deals in the description for easy access. Enjoy the scent, and now let's get back to the video. A smooth custard is the backbone of great gelato, so take your time and stay gentle. Warm milk and cream, dissolve sugar, then stir in cornstarch mixed with a little milk to avoid lumps. Temper a portion of the hot liquid into yolk slowly, then cook until it coats the spoon. Remove from heat, cool quickly in an ice bath, stir in the pistachio paste, and refrigerate until fully cold before churning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.